every year Full Dome Pro supporting art festivals with artistic, spiritual and conscious installations. This year we're supporting Elephant Camp, a beautiful camp which members are taking care of wild nature. And of course we're showing incredible spiritual content which people love and know on Burning Man. It's very difficult to bring projection system up to Burning Man because of the very special dust, wind, severe technical conditions. It's all about great team that we have globally. The great professionals, people with passion, people with great heart, and people with desire to give this technology to others, to share with others.
Most civilized people are out of touch because they confuse the world as it is, the world as they think about it, talk about it, and describe it.